Can you pass a $5,000 prop firm account in just 3 days? Yes, you can, if you stop trading randomly and start trading with a real plan. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete strategy. We'll trade only gold. We'll use a fixed lot size, a tight stop loss, and a high risk-to-reward ratio. And most importantly, we will avoid the most dangerous session for prop firm traders, New York. If you follow this exactly, a 33% win rate is all you need to pass in 3 to 5 days. Let's go. Here's the setup. You have a $5,000 prop firm challenge. Most firms want 8 to 10% profit. That means you need roughly $400 to $500 in total profit. Most beginners fail because they risk too much or trade during crazy volatility. We're not doing that. We will trade only in gold. Why gold? Because it moves cleanly during Asian and London sessions. It trends well, and it gives you those beautiful 1:4 or 1:5 moves. We will use a fixed 0.05 lot size. No changing it. No feeling lucky trades. Just same size lots every single time. Stop loss and take profit. The money management. Your stop loss will be just 25. Never increase your stop loss. Your take profit will be 75 to 100. Sometime you have to close after taking 50 or lower, when you will see there are opposite side traders entering much. It is reality. Let me explain why this is powerful. If you lose 3 trades in a row, you're down $75. Then you win just 1 trade at 1 to 4, you make $100. You're now profitable again. You don't need to be right most of the time. You just need to let your winners run until they hit those next key levels. Don't cut them early. Avoid New York session. Here's why. This is critical. Do not trade during New York session. I'm serious. New York session is extremely volatile. Gold can spike 200 pips in minutes. Spreads widen. Brokers widen spreads even more. One bad spike and you hit your daily loss limit before you can blink. Prop firm traders get destroyed in New York. Not because they're bad traders, but because the environment is too aggressive for small stop losses. Instead, trade only Asia session and London session. Asia is slow and directional. London gives you clean breakouts. Together, they are perfect for this strategy. Daily routine. 5 to 6 trades. 2 hard stops. Here is your daily routine. You will take 5 to 6 trades every day, no more. Each trade is 0.05 lots, $25 stop loss, 1:4 or 1:5 target. But you have 2 absolute rules. Rule 1. If you lose your first 2 trades of the day, stop, close the charts, walk away, come back tomorrow. 2 losses in a row means the market is not respecting your levels today. Rule 2. If you gain $150 in a single day, stop. Do not overtrade. Lock in that profit. $150 on a $5,000 account is 3% in 1 day. That's excellent. Take it and leave. Follow these 2 rules, and you will never blow account, ever, and pass one after another steps. Warning for beginners. Do not buy a challenge yet. Now, a very important warning. If you are a beginner, do not buy a prop firm account right now. I'm serious. Most beginners fail because they haven't practiced. Here is what you must do first. Open a demo account for $5,000. Give yourself these rules. Profit target, 10%. That means $500. Daily maximum loss, $50. Total maximum loss, $200. Now try to pass that demo account. Not once. Pass it 5 times, following this exact strategy. If you can pass 5 demo accounts in a row, then, and only then, you are ready for a real challenge. Where to start? Funding pips for just $29. When you are ready, I recommend funding pips. Their challenges start at just $29 for a $5,000 account. That's very low risk to you. Even there is $2,500 account only for $17. You can open your funding pips account by clicking the link in the pinned comment and the video description below. After you buy the challenge, if you need help passing it, email me. I will help you for free. Feel free to contact me.